Hello. Let's have a look at three new features that have something to do with a map. The first one is if you track events in Caflou, if you use calendar, and it's beneficial for you to know where your meetings take place. There's actually a new column in the list of events called place, where you see where the event takes place. But not only that, there's also a map where you actually see where those meetings take place on a map. So you can have a look visually and plan your trip based on this location. The map works with filters, so you can also look only at events that take place next week, and the map filters events just as you actually use the filter. So that's the first thing. The other map feature is to do with projects. If your projects are, locally distributed, if it's worthwhile, to keep that information about location, you can now go to project settings and you can select to record location of projects and tasks. And if you do so, you get a new column called location, and you see that you see location of your projects. Also, when you're creating or editing a project, you get a new attribute called location, where you can store that location. You can upload it from a project company, or when we talk about tasks, that location could be uploaded from the location of the project or also a company. So if you keep track of a location of your project, you can view your projects on a map with this detail in the kind of tile format. And again, you can plan your work or trips. And for example, if you're looking for projects that we will start next month. And the same is with tasks. There's a new column called location. So you see location of your projects, of your tasks. Each task has a location. And if you use location, you can see your tasks on a map. And again, you can plan your work because you visually see where actually the work takes place. And again, you can use filters like tasks with end date next week or so.